If you're a runner looking for an advanced tool to analyze your performance, you've probably heard of Golden Cheetah. But how does it actually perform in real-world use? Today, I'll share my honest experience using it. Golden Cheetah is a free, open-source software designed for serious runners and cyclists. It allows you to track your workouts, analyze power and pace, and even measure performance improvements over time. One of the surprising truths is how much data it can handle. You can track every run in detail, from heart rate and cadence to power zones and fatigue levels. Getting started is fairly simple. You can import data from most GPS watches or running apps like Garmin, Polar, or Suunto. Once your data is in, you can visualize trends, compare sessions, and even create personalized training plans. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's just a simple log. It's much more like a performance lab for your running. The interface can feel a bit overwhelming at first because it's designed for athletes who want in-depth analysis. Charts, graphs, and statistics are everywhere, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes incredibly powerful. You can track improvements over weeks and months, helping you identify weaknesses and optimize your training. Golden Cheetah also supports integration with power meters and heart rate monitors, which is a big advantage if you're serious about training. You can even analyze your race efforts, check pacing strategies, and compare your sessions against your personal bests. In conclusion, Golden Cheetah is a robust tool for runners and cyclists who want detailed performance analysis. It's free, powerful, and highly customizable, but it does have a learning curve. If you're committed to tracking your progress and improving your performance, it's definitely worth trying. Subscribe for more honest reviews of fitness apps, running tools, and tips to get the most out of your training.